Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your logo in your videos using Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do is to simply go and add your uh, create your projects, and basically here you can simply go to the file, new project, and from there you can choose any project that you would like. Now you will be needing to add your content. So you go to media, and from there you will find content and you can add your own content. So now all we need to do is to add our logo. So here in the media you will also import your logo, either a JPG or a PNG file or whatever, and you will need to add it. So I'm just going to use some stock footage, and I'm just going to import this one, and I'm just going to drag and drop, and basically this will be my logo. So from here I'm just going to shorten it, and let's suppose this is my logo, and simply you would be needing like to use it here, and here you will find some uh, tools that you can use for this, etc. And basically all you need to do is to simply like make sure you position your logo wherever you like, and then you just like put it uh, all along of your video, and basically by that you will be able like to have your logo that will be showing all along the video, and it will be here. And as you can see, we can have it like just for more visibility. You can choose also the timing where you want to for your logo to disappear. For example, you want it to be like just in 5 seconds first, and basically it will be in 5 seconds, then it will fade, etc. So we can view it like this. And basically, this is how you can add your logo. So thank you for watching and see you next time.